Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're heading down to the river to do a little catfishing. Sorry if I sound a little funny. Got a little sinus infection or something. It ain't the Rona. I hope it ain't the Rona. But I feel fine, but it's a good day to go fishing. So we're gonna go down here and try to catch some cats. We got bluegill for bait, and I'm gonna meet Rance at the gate. I just made a rhyme. I can rhyme anytime. Anyways, we're gonna get down here, get this Can-Am unloaded, and we'll see you at the river. Well, we made it to the river. We're gonna get all rigged up and start catching some fish. I'm excited. The river is up, man. There's a big gar pop over there. I'll cut that one out. Bluegill for bait. You cut them up. I'll take 2 pieces.
I wish I had a place to put my boat in.
Get that excavator. About to rig up some holes for the kitchen. Big cats. Big ones. Like a gar. Where's my big cat? That's a cat. Not very big. Little yellow cat. Oh yeah. It's an eater right there. Are we keeping him? Or we let him go?
Just let them go today.
I don't feel like cleaning them anyways.
I don't either.
So yellow cat, muddy. Alright, we're gonna let him go.
Smallest one we caught out here.
Oh, that's an eating side up there. Didn't take long. Got him. Still good? That thing hadn't been in the water.
I don't think it's
5 minutes.
I think he got off.
Oh really?
It's a small one if it. No, it's on there.
That's the same size. Probably the same one. That sucker looks just like the other one. Thank you, baby cat. Yeah. No. He just missed one and I missed one. Shit. We got a pretty good one on. Nice blue cat. Got another line.
That's the eating size right there.
This sucker right there will pinch down on your hand. Oh yeah. That's a heater right there. Look at that blue cat. Probably about a 8-pounder. Fat. Man, look at that.
Did you get that on top?
Heck no.
No.
Hey, on a jump, hit that hole, and I go All right, let's get us another. Oh yeah, another nice blue cat for the evening. If we were catching fish to eat, man, we'd be eating good. I'm talking about.
I'd have a good fish fry with these fish.
I know, good eat, perfect size right there. Clean, the river. Okay. All right, let him go for another day. Oh yeah, let's catch another. All right guys, well we made it back home from fishing at the river. We caught some really good fish tonight. Caught 2 good yellow cats and 2 really nice blues. And I just want to show you the rig we're using. What I got, I just got a Shakespeare Ugly Stick Catfish Series rod. These rods, 40 bucks. You can't beat them. You can shove them down in the dirt. Great rods, you can't tear them up. Ugly Stick. I got a C3 Abu Garcia reel. Had that sucker right there for probably 8-9 years. Bomb proof, can't beat it. Running 60, 55 or 60 pound braid down to a no roll, 4 ounce no roll weight. We had a lot of current today, and one of the poles I had 7 ounces of weight on it. But then we dropped down to a 18-inch wire leader, and this 18-inch leader right here has got a weight built on it. Normally I don't run these, but this is what I had on hand. And then we were using 4 and 5/0 circle hooks, and these are little Gamakatsu circle hooks, just bulletproof, can't beat them. Love them. So thanks for watching this video. Drop a comment below what kind of videos you want to see next. Let me know if you want to see more catching cooks, more fishing, bow fishing, hog hunting. Drop a comment below and let me know. We kill a lot of things, catch a lot of things, and I can show y'all how to cook them up if you want. So thanks for watching this video. Can't wait to get back on the river, catch some more yellow cats, and we'll catch you on the next one.